I am going to show you one traditional Turkish restaurant, and this place is famous for making typical Turkish food. I will show you what kind of food they are making, how big is their restaurant, everything. People are crazy about Iskandar Kebab, Çok Güzel. So this is the name of this restaurant, Ashina, and this is famous for Iskandar Kebab, et doner. Let's go inside and I will show you their complete restaurant. Come. This place is beautiful. Merhaba. Merhaba. Hoş bulduk. Teşekkürler. So first I will show you their kitchen because they are making some traditional Turkish food here. So right now I am standing in their kitchen, which is the most beautiful place here, and you can see these are all the owners. First, Mr. Ayhan.
Kulaksız.
Nice to meet you. Memnun oldum abi.
Ben de çok memnun oldum Yasin senden.
Teşekkürler.
Mutlu oldum.
Tamam. And this is his son, Bunyamin. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
And this is his big brother, Ahmed, the big brother. So these guys are taking care of this place. This is their restaurant. Ashina is the name of this restaurant. Whenever you come, they guys are really nice, and you can ask them for discount. They will give you. So you can see they are actually making the traditional soup here. The Turkish food is actually famous for soups. So this is first one.
Ezogelin.
This is Ezogilin. Ezogilin, abi. Ezogilin. Come on.
Mercimek.
This is second one, Marjamak. They are making this with lentils. This
Karalahana.
Kara lahana. This is some kind of vegetables. Okay. Bu tavuk. Tavuk. Tavuk. Okay, tamam. Bu ne abi?
Bu işkembe kelle paça.
Kelle paça.
İşkembe.
Ne?
İşkembe kelle paça. Kelle paça.
Kelle paça. Tamam. So यहाँ पर आपको ये जो देख रहे हैं ना, ये lentil soup है actually, and this is very good. Especially the yellow one, the marjamak one is amazing. Marjamak well सभी होता है. Tuzlama.
Tuzlama.
Okay. इसके अंदर भी in this they are also going to put this meat soup.
Kelle paça.
Tamam. Kelle paça.
İşkembe. Tuzlama.
Tuzlama. Tamam. So now this guy is going to make Iskandar Kebab. I will show you the whole process how they make Iskandar Kebab. So first thing they take this bread. You can also find this kind of bread in Pakistan. Okay, now they are cutting this bread. This place have very good smell, and I cannot explain you how I am stopping myself. And this is yogurt. Now they are going to cut this. You can see, you know, in the morning this is very big, and this time it's almost finished because everyone likes Iskandar Kebab. First they cook bread, then they cut it, then they put yogurt, and now this is tomato sauce. This is tomato sauce, and now this is meat, the best part. And now they are putting the butter. Okay, I will take. So now this Iskandar Kebab is ready. It's delicious, so we can serve to our customers. Hazir, Iskandar Kebab is ready. We have so many customers, actually they are already waiting. Iskandar Kebab hazir. Buyurun. Afiyet olsun. on this side they are making kebabs. This is my friend Mr. Rajab. He is like an Arabic teacher. He is also an imam, mashallah. So hello Mr. Rajab.
Hello, thank you.
Yeah, they are making eggplant kebab. They take meat and also eggplant. This is special kind of kebab in Turkey, right?
Special for Turkish people.
Special for Turkish people, okay?
Famous and very delicious.
Okay, now I will explain you which kind of kebab they are making. So, they are making the kebabs from the wings of the chicken, the first one. And second one, these are special meat of chicken they are taking from the leg and they are making kebab. What is the name of this?
Tavuk shish.
Tavuk shish. The name of this one is tavuk shish. This is they are making with tomatoes and meat, of course, and this is with patla jam. Patla jam in English, I forgot. Bengan, yeah. Eggplant and meat. So these two are traditional, but the most traditional kebab is Adana kebab. It is famous in Turkey.
Bu acısız, bu acılı.
So they are making two different kind of Adana kebab with spices, without spices. Okay, now this is the best part of the video because we are now going to eat the Iskandar kebab. I'm not supposed to take the families because there are so many families sitting here on my left. Okay, so time to eat Iskandar kebab. They say this is the best thing in this restaurant and I should try. So I will eat now. Let's see, let me taste how is this. Okay. This is exactly Iskandar kebab.
What do you feel?
I feel very good.
Really?
Eline sağlık abi. Güzel oldu. Afiyet olsun Mr. Rajab.
Thank you.
So now they are going to make one traditional Turkish dessert or sweet,
Sütlaç.
sütlaç.
Very delicious.
Very delicious. You know when you eat, you blow up. It's like atom bomb.
This sütlaç made from milk and rice.
Okay, now this yellow thing they put rice and milk and then they cook it for long time,
Yes.
right? And it becomes thick and yellow like this. And this is some special Turkish thing. Only you can find in Turkey, right?
Yes.
But it's very delicious. This is yogurt?
No, cream.
Cream, okay, this is cream. Guys, just look at this.
Nut, yes.
These are nuts, hazelnuts.
And atom.
They call, Turkish people call this thing atom bomb. You know, when you eat this, your mind blows up because it's so delicious. Okay, this is my dessert now. I am already full, but they also gave me this sweet to try. So I'm going to try this now.
Sütlaç.
Sütlaç. So they have so much of hazelnuts. This guy, his name is Farad, one of the main chef here. He is dealing with Iskandar kebab. Iskandar kebab is best. Whenever you come to Turkey, you should eat Iskandar kebab. Abhi season ism name? Saleh. So this guy here, he's professional in making kebabs. Look. Nefza, he's the good chef here. Like, look at his takil. On this place, they have a counter. The big guys, they are dealing with the money. Look at him, he's always making some kebab. आप सबसे मिलकर अच्छा लगा.
Şükriye.
आपका शुक्रिया. So this is the menu of this restaurant. You can read the prices. It's not very expensive. And also guys, they have a social media. I mean, you can follow them on Instagram. Please follow them on Instagram because I told them people from Pakistan, India and from other countries, Canada, they love Turkish food. So they will follow you. So please go and follow them on Instagram. They also have a website. I will write all these contact details in the description of the video so you can check. And this place is in Kartape. And I will show you one more thing. Come. You can see the main road. This is right on the main. And on this side, You can see the jumbo, the very famous jumbo, which is famous for Kunefe. And these are the fancy buildings. The name of this place is Kartape. And if you want me to make the videos about this apartments, they are the fancy and rich apartments on this place, comment below. And if you cross 1,000 comments, I will make a video about these apartments also. So let's go inside. It's raining today.
Biz de ya size teşekkür ederiz. Bizi teşekkür geldiğiniz için. Çok sağ olsun.
Sağ ol. Memnun oldum.
Ben de çok memnunum.
Şimdi bak yeni sipariş. 4 İskender, 2 yoğurt.
So new order 4 Iskandar kebab. Now they will make another 4 Iskandar kebab. You know, I came here like 10 or 15 minutes before, and in this time tenure, they have made 4 Iskandar kebab, and now they are going to make 4 more. So you can just imagine, people are crazy about Iskandar kebab. Chowk Husain. So this restaurant was really good today. I had a lot of fun. But still, my food is left. Look, this dessert is still left because I am so full. But this is good. This is really tasty. I will finish this before I leave. So the name Muzera. Actually, I love my work. I get free food, but I'm so tired now because I choked ye thi maafi.